Hi, good morning. So, kagigising ko kasi grabe ang ingay nung nag-doorbell kanina. Kasi ewan ko bakit hindi niya to iniwan doon sa, what do you call this one? Doon sa post box. Ayan. Nakita niyo na ba to? Yung from Australian Bureau of Statistics. Yun. The census is compulsory kasi. Ayan. Siguro para hindi mawala, kaya kailangan may tao pag ibibigay niya. I don't know. Baka siya lang yun, no? Yeah, so, hindi siya nakapangalan sa amin. Nakapangalan siya dun sa address namin. So, apparently, this one is very important. Pwede kang ma-fine kapag hindi mo to finil-upan ng maayos or kapag na-miss mo yung deadline. And even if you are not a citizen or permanent resident, kahit naka-temporary visa ka, basta nakatira ka sa isang residence dito sa Australia, you have to fill this one out. What I mean with temporary resident is yung mga working visa, yung student, training, lahat ng temporary resident. So, you have to fill this one out dapat before deadline. So, as per instruction, ayan, ang galing. Kasi talagang na-anticipate na nila. Yung mga, language na ginamit is iba't iba. So, may help in other language. May helpline sila. English, Arabic, Dari, Greek, Italian, Mer, Korean, Punjabi, Simplified Chinese, Spanish, Tamil, Thai, Traditional Chinese, Turkish, Vietnamese. I think kahit na anong language yan, may helpline sila. Ayan. So, make sure to check your mailbox. This is going to be online, no? Yung instruction lang to. So, make sure to check your mailbox and make sure na gawin nyo siya before August 11, Tuesday. So, this is compulsory. So, ang deadline is August 11, Tuesday. Check your mailbox and make sure to fill this one out para hindi kayo ma-fine. So, yun lang.